Half the fun of owning a Jeep is the freedom to fold the top back and feel the wind. If you already have a Trektop from Bestop, they now have a conversion kit that gives you more options for your look. The Trektop conversion kit is a great addition to your existing Trektop. With the standard version, you can run it closed, bikini, or with the Sunrider. With this conversion kit, it gives you a whole new look and style. This kit encloses the rear of your Jeep, replacing the slanted panels of the Trektop. This gives your Jeep a new, aggressive look that will stand out anywhere. For those of you who like the look of the Trektop, you can easily revert back at any time. The conversion kit has a zippered rear window for more airflow on those hot days. And a great thing about this window is that it has a mesh screen to keep out pests and bugs. Just like the Trektop, it is made from premium black twill or black diamond material. Its windows are Department of Transportation approved, and they have an 18% tint to block sun and help keep the heat in the winter. Using the conversion kit still allows you to keep the Sunrider option, so you can ride it with the top open and keep the aggressive styling. If you would like to purchase a Trektop conversion kit from Bestop, or you need help with installation, please check out the store locator either on screen or in the description below. Don't forget to subscribe for new videos every week, and thanks for watching. We'll see you next time within the garage.